These viral shorts are pulling in millions of views consistently. So I found a way to recreate this exact style, and here's the result. And you can also create this short using any animal you want. And if you think creating them takes too much time and effort, this video will change your mind, because I'm going to walk you through the complete process of turning your idea into a viral short that's ready to post. So, what makes these shorts so special? It's the script. No matter what the story is, they all follow the same pattern. The story starts with an immediate, unexpected problem involving the main character. Then it slowly builds emotional tension by showing the character struggling to solve it. And finally, the story ends with the character solving the problem in a satisfying way. So, to create a script exactly like this, I built a ChatGPT template that does it automatically. You just need to copy and paste it into ChatGPT and type in your idea here. For example, let me type "a dog struggling to get food," and it instantly generates a complete scene-by-scene script, where each scene comes with a ready-to-use description, image prompt, video prompt, and on-screen text. And if you want your main character to be a cat or a monkey, just mention it in your video idea. Simply type "cat" instead of "dog," and ChatGPT will generate the script accordingly. So, if you want to use this template, I've added the link in the description. Feel free to download and use it. Now, for this tutorial, I've already prepared a story similar to the viral shorts you see on YouTube. So we'll use this as our video idea to generate the script. This gives you exactly what you need. Once the script is generated, it's time to actually create the images. Go to scene 1, copy the image prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT to generate the image. This gives you the exact style of image you need for the short. Now let's create the image for the next scene in the same way. Once the image is generated, download it and repeat the same process to create images for each scene. So now we've got all our images ready. It's time to turn them into animated videos. To do that, head over to OpenArt. Once you are on the home page, click on the video section. When it opens, make sure you select the image to video option. First, you'll need to select your model. Here, you'll see multiple options, but for this type of cartoon-style animation, I recommend using Kling 2.5. Once you've selected the model, click on the box that says drag and drop to upload your image. Let's select the first scene, where the puppy is cleaning the floor. Next, for the prompt, use the video animation prompt from the script. For the duration, I recommend setting it to 5 seconds and no more than that. Then click Create to generate the first scene. Once it's done, let's take a look. And yes, this came out great. As you can see, the puppy cleans the floor with controlled actions and soft movements. This is exactly what we wanted. Now just repeat the same process for every other scene. For example, I'll upload scene 2, copy the prompt from the script, set the duration, and click Create. As usual, the result looks amazing. Since the process is the same for every scene, I'll speed through this part. And now, we've got all our video clips ready. It's time for the final step, editing. I'm using DaVinci Resolve for this, but you can use any editor you want. The process is the same. Start a new project and drag all your video clips onto the timeline in order. Scene 1, Scene 2, all the way up to Scene 13. Then adjust each clip's length as needed, and add transitions between some scenes. Next, add your music track to the audio timeline. Then add background sounds that match the visuals to make the video more engaging. And that's it. Export the video in a 1080p vertical format. Now we've got a viral short that's ready to post. So now you know how to create these viral animal shorts. And now it's your turn to make one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then.